Yun na hindi ko matake. Di ba? Parang pinapalabas mo pa na korap ako. Ay, yan na, mag-aaway na tayo dyan. Unang-una, sabihin ko nga, kung bulok ba ako, lalabanan ko yung mga very powerful na tao dyan. You have to make sure that you have the moral ascendancy bago mo labanan yung mga tao. Otherwise, masisira ka din. I would like to end yung aking experience dyan sa ICI. But one thing that I can say is that there's no transparency. There's no transparency whatsoever. Nakita namin yan ni Secretary Vince. Tinago lahat. No? And they are just so comfortable doing it. They're not afraid. Imagine, hindi man lang nila naisip na paano ang taong bayan. Nakakainsulto pa. At ito nga, lately nga, sinabi pa na yung involved na congressman dyan, si Saldico, he did not abandon it. It was a sacrifice. My God! Huh? Nagdakaw ka ng bayan, kasi sasabihin mo, it was a sacrifice on your part. And it's not an abandonment. Ganyan na ba kababa yung standard natin sa Kongreso, Mr. Chair? Huh? Ganyan na ba tayo kawalang hiya ngayon? Huh? Manhid, di ba? Napaka callousness, hypocrisy. At nakakainsulto sa mentalidad natin Pilipino.